That was a hard break, but good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning. I know it's been a cool little minute before your virtual auntie, put out a video, but child, I've been really busy. I added another event to my roster. I've been door dashing on my off days, guys. So it's all, I'm trying not to burn the candle at both ends, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do, when you're trying to do something. There are plenty of times when, you got to put your head down so you can hustle up. So with that being said, life updates, that's what I'm here to give y'all. A couple of life updates, and that door dashing, that's just one. And another one is, guys, is that I have found that I'm going to have to get some things together in my life. And one of the main things that I really, really got to work on is my health. I got to put more attention toward my health, y'all. I've really been lacking when it comes down to my health over the years. And your virtual auntie is here to tell you guys, take care of yourself, because what you do in your 20s and 30s, you're going to pay for in your 40s and your 50s. I'm telling you the truth. And before we dive deep into this conversation, you guys already know, let me get the church announcements out the way. Please like, comment, and share. This helps my channel grow. I am growing, and I want to send a personal thank you to my subscribers who've been rocking with me, who's been liking, who's been commenting, who's been sharing. You guys are the bread to my butter, if that makes any sense. So yeah, guys, I'm about to stop and get me some libation. Yeah, you really have to start taking care of yourself, guys, because your health is important. And even with mine going through this menopause, which is horrible. Hold on, guys. Good morning. Can I have a medium cappuccino blast turtle, please?
We don't know vanilla ice cream.
No ice cream? Okay.
Yes, we do.
Sir?
You do?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, so can I have a medium cappuccino blast, please?
Okay.
And that's all.
You pull up. Thank you.
Thank you. Sound like they got some stuff going on in here. Let's see, guys. Let's check this out.
Take some. Good morning, Malcolm.
Yes, they did have some, yeah. Y'all don't judge me, because I had to stop and get this. Oh, and if they take all day getting there, so I'm on my way to work. And yeah, y'all coming along for the ride. So if you don't want to see me sitting here getting cappuccino blast, you can fast forward it along, but y'all coming with me when I do the things that I do, because this is real life happening. I told y'all before, real life happening, guys. Also, guys, y'all see my hair color? Yes. New hair, who dis? I decided to go red, y'all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Okay. Now, first of all, don't judge me because I know y'all just said I just started talking about health and I'm getting a empty calorie drink. Well, I know, but I am going to start to take my health a lot more seriously and make sure that I deep dive into my health because in my opinion, guys, your health is more important than money. And don't look at me crazy when I say this because if you got poor health and you ain't got no money to help with that, you know, to check on your health then, or you in poor health and you got all this money and you can't even spend it because you sitting up there in the hospital bed, what's the point of having the money? But those are some of the things that I really got to look into and I really got to change is being better about taking care of myself because all of these years of me being when I was a wife and being a mother, you know, I made sure I took care of everybody but me. And we as women, mothers, I'm just going to say, you know, and not even women because I know there's men that is in this category as well. You spend so much time taking care of everybody else that you neglect yourself. And before you know it, you know, you got an ache, you got a pain that had turned into something else. And years ago, I had a friend whose mother had this lump on her breast, and she said how heavy it was. By the time she went to the doctor to find out what it was cancer. And sometimes in my mind, I've been thinking to myself that if she had ran and got that checked out a lot earlier, that it could have, you know, she could have had more time here. But nevertheless, I didn't want this to get dark and heavy. But we have got to take care of ourselves. We have got to pour into ourselves. We've got to invest in ourselves. And I have come to that conclusion with myself. I was really bad at that, taking care of myself because, you know, I make sure my kids were okay. But now that they are grown and they're doing their own thing, living their own life, I gotta spend more time focusing on me because I've been having some serious aches and pains, guys, that are far beyond the normal or average wear and tear on the body. And me standing up in the mirror sometimes, putting my makeup on and getting ready for work, feels like my back be going through a thing. I'm serious, y'all. And I'm like, what the world? And part of me is thinking that it is my weight because I have picked up some pounds because of injury to my knee and my Achilles tendon that I had. And also like the position of my job that I have right now. Get past this truck, which is loud and ignorant. So y'all can hear me. Especially the job that I have right now, basically, is very much a sit-down job. I'm very stagnant. I'm not moving as much. So I'm going to have to move outside. And of course, I told you I was door dashing. So that's another sit-down activity. So at this point, guys, I'm really going to have to get up and start moving and getting the motivation to drop this weight, start eating better. But that is the key. That motivation part is sometimes it's kind of hard to do. I'm the type of person, I'm going to need major help. A serious workout partner to stay on me, to be like, come on, we got to do this, we got to do this. You know, it's going to be accountability being held. Because I've had a gym membership for the longest. I think I went probably like, I want to say 10 times. I had like 2 years. Yeah, real bad. Oh, y'all can't see me. There you go. Ain't no light over here, so I'm turn this light on while I'm talking to y'all. But yeah, I haven't went, so I'm really gonna have to go. And I really got to work on, guys, my being consistent. I am very inconsistent with things. I'm very much a spur of the moment thing, but consistency has been my enemy for a long time. You know, so I got to break up with procrastination and start becoming more frequent, you know, more consistent with things, especially when it comes down to things of me. Also, I have been working on my business, trying to really rebrand myself and take it into another direction. I'm really excited about some stuff that's coming up, and I'm gonna keep you guys abreast of it, because you're gonna be on this journey with me, and possibly be able to participate in it. But that's just been a life update, y'all. Y'all virtual auntie just been really out here trying to come up with solutions to some challenging things that has been going on in my life. That's my main thing. I've been trying to do solutions. I can't be sitting around crying and upset and stressed out and worried about certain things. I just want to sit back and come up with solutions. And DoorDashing has been one of the solutions. I'll tell y'all the backstory on exactly what really made me jump into doing it. Because like I told you guys, I really am trying to be transparent with you guys. I can't stand people do that. Be transparent with you guys. Having a proper balance with you guys when it comes down to what I tell you, because you know I really don't want to tell all my personal business, but I really want to be like, what I do tell you guys, be perfectly transparent with what I tell you guys, and it's going to be the truth. So this video might be quick and short because I'm just doing a quick life update about where I've been, what I've been doing, what's been going on, why you guys haven't really seen me. And that is one of the things, is that I got a lot of irons in the fire right now. A lot of irons in the fire. And it's all positive though. I'm just gotta learn a proper balance to some of them, so that I won't burn myself out and I won't be, you know, laying up comatose somewhere because I did more damage to my body than what's already there. So that's the main reason why your virtual auntie really hasn't gave y'all a video in about a month, because I had to stop and put a couple more irons in the fire. And then sometimes it's really good to take a break and unplug from a lot of social media and regroup, be refreshed, and then come back with a whole new, you know, set of eyes, a whole new ideas, and all of that. So yeah, this This video was not very long. I don't really have a lot to say. I don't have much to say. I just want to give you guys a quick update and let you guys know that a tutorial is coming out on how I get my eyebrows with my red hair. So I love you guys. Be safe, be prosperous, love on each other, and love yourself. And go out there and hug 3,275 people, because that one person may really, really need it. Your virtual auntie loves ya. Be thinking about you. And y'all be here for the next video, because I'm going to try to be a lot more consistent with what I'm doing. Because there's people out there that actually be looking forward to me putting out videos, which makes me feel awesome, because it lets me know, hey, your virtual auntie is doing something right. So until then, guys, be peaceful, be blessed, and be happy. And I will talk to you soon.